Watermouth is a hamlet located between the village of Combe Martin and Ilfracombe in North Devon. It currently consists of several camping sites, a forest, a golf course and a Grade 2 listed country manor. ASTIS have identified a need to provide more housing in the North Devon area whilst ensuring that any environmental damages are kept to a minimum. As such, ASTIS proposes that an eco-village is built at Watermouth. The eco-village will provide an area in which the community can strive to integrate a supportive social environment, local economic development and low environmental impact way of life. To achieve this, various aspects of ecological design, ecological building, green production, alternative energy and community building practices are integrated. This video will outline the overall project, design standards, risk assessment, key selling points, schedule of works and cost. ASTIS is formed of a multidisciplinary team of 7 engineers with over 30 years of academic experience. The team consists of Frederick Farron, Quality Control Manager, Nicholas Arthur, Mechanical Lead, Daniel Wilkinson, Creative and Civil Lead, Hugh Tam, Business and Industrial Park Lead, Lawrence Taylor, Marketing Lead, Thomas Butler, Secretary and Civil CAD Lead, and Lucy Ayres, Project Manager. Watermouth is made up of 14 key areas: tidal barrage and tidal barrier, water sports centre, nature reserve, holiday park, shops and restaurants, primary school, secondary school, sports centre, visitors centre, village hall, business and industrial park, energy plant, water treatment plant, and housing. It is proposed that 800 new homes be built on the Watermouth development consisting of 3 tiers of housing: affordable, standard and executive. The affordable housing is split into 2 spacious 2-bedroom flat dwellings with access to a shared garden and parking area. Standard housing comprises of the same outer construction as the affordable, but inhabits both floors in a spacious open plan, 3-bedroom living arrangement with access to a private garden. Executive housing offers comfortable and open plan living with 4 bedrooms and a double garage and access to a private garden. All dwellings have been designed to the Guide for Sustainable Homes with eco-friendly features including sustainable materials, renewable technologies and energy monitoring. An innovative housing plan has been designed so that small communities are formed with access to communal garden areas and shared recreational areas to promote the benefits of eco-living and community sharing. All homes are within a 10-minute walking distance from amenities to ensure that all facilities are reachable without the need for either public transport or cars. Walking will be heavily promoted in the Watermouth development. The tidal barrage comprises of 2 sections. The main tidal barrage is 171 metres long with a smaller barrage to the east at only 64 metres long, and together they will capture the high tide, creating a lagoon. The lagoon will be multi-purpose, creating an 82,000 square metre sheltered area for water sports, generating electricity and providing an improved route for the coastal path through the nature reserve rather than its current route along the A339. An estimated 8% of all residential electricity demand can be met by gradually releasing and refilling the water retained by the barrage through 2 550 kilowatt multi-directional turbines, providing approximately 527,000 kilowatt hours per year. A fully accessible water sports centre and cafe is located at the southeast of the lagoon, and in addition to providing stunning views over the water, it will provide the facilities to teach and promote a wide range of water sports on the lagoon. The centre has a total floor area of 2,000 square metres and provides a vast amount of storage for equipment, as well as parking access to both the centre and the nature reserve. As part of the eco-village design, ASTIS has chosen to offset some of the effects created by the scheme by putting in place a local nature reserve. The nature reserve lies to the east of the barrages and water sports centre and covers an area of approximately 65,000 square metres. The coastal path is to be rerouted through this local nature reserve, and as such, wide accessible pathways are to be installed and the cliff edges are to be fenced for safety. To the southeast of the nature reserve is the holiday park, with a total of 50 holiday homes and an area for camping with toilets and shower facilities. In addition to this, the site also offers a show home, on-site staff accommodation and an entertainment centre. The show home will be fully functioning and will initially be used to sell the eco-housing. However, it will later be converted into a model eco-house to teach visitors about the design and materials used in the eco-housing project. The holiday park will be used to attract ecotourism to the southwest and will be used to help promote a more sustainable way to live. Looking over the lagoon, less than 10 minutes walk from many of the housing, is a pedestrianised commercial area consisting of 29 shops and 7 restaurants. While the front of the shops and restaurants are pedestrianised, deliveries and access by car is available via the access road to the rear. This road has 192 parking spaces to provide for the disabled and visitors from outside of the village. As with all of the public buildings in the village, the shops and restaurants will be fully accessible and sustainably designed, complying with a minimum BREEAM rating of excellent. Along with housing, education is an important part of the village's development plan, providing high-quality education to attract young families to the area. With this in mind, the village will provide both a primary and secondary school. The primary school is designed to have a capacity of 200 students and has a large range of facilities for both students and staff. The secondary school is designed for 900 pupils aged 11 to 16 years of age and also incorporates a sixth form centre. It has a large range of facilities spread through a large open campus with every building occupying its own building as far as convenience will allow. The advice and standards for school premises has been used when designing both the primary and secondary schools. A large sports centre has been provided in the centre of the village and will be used for both the primary and secondary schools as well as paying customers. It has been designed to have a spacious open plan interior whilst being low-lying and fitting in with the local topography. Due to this, a living roof has been designed, allowing the building to blend into its surroundings as well as contributing to the building's designed BREEAM rating of outstanding. The sports centre has a wide range of facilities including an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a multi-purpose sports hall and a fully equipped gym. Allowing visitors to understand the village and all of its attractions is an integral part of the development. To accomplish this, a visitor centre is to be constructed to highlight the attractions and to promote the sustainable accomplishments of the village. The centre has a circular design allowing for views through glazed elevations to different aspects of the village, with information boards and displays allowing visitors to find out more about the local area. The village hall will serve as a social hub for the town and can be used for town gatherings such as council meetings and village events. The building is made up of a large hall with a stage, kitchen, storage, and toilets. It will be constructed in the centre of the housing estates and will become a place for people to congregate. The business and industrial park is located in the easily accessible, growing and developing area of Watermouth. The business park will provide for the future, providing an area for developing and successful companies in a top location, whilst enhancing the desirable qualities such as sustainability and energy efficiency of the building. The business park consists of one main office block, 5 smaller office blocks and 1 warehouse, providing a wide range of facilities for those who wish to rent or buy the space. The park has a comprehensive security system in place that included a car park traffic control system, vehicle detection, surveillance and intruder detection. The village's primary power supply is a wood chip biomass plant using organic Rankine cycle turbine technology. The turbine and entire plant is built and supplied by Turboden and is installed on multiple skids. The energy plant is located approximately 1.6 km south of Watermouth and shares the site with the water treatment facility. The power output of the plant is 2.3 MW electrical and 9.6 MW thermal, supplied to the village and national grid. Water treatment has been provided for the residents and users of the village, with there being adequate capacity for both the current plans and any future expansion. A mains sewage network will bring water to the proposed location adjacent to the energy plant, staying out of sight from the main village. The plant will treat water destined to be recirculated through the mains network and any water that is to be returned to the environment. To minimise the energy footprint of the plant, sludge from the treatment process along with kitchen waste is sent to the anaerobic digesters to produce biogas. Gas from the plant will be used to heat the plant and create electricity to power its operation. Infrastructure is an important part of the development process, creating access for all users of the village and alleviating any traffic build-up and reducing traffic in populated areas. The road network has been designed to alleviate stress on the roads by incorporating a 4.7 km road widening scheme and 35 km of new road network. Also incorporated into the infrastructure will be all electrical, water, sewage, telecoms and hot water pipe infrastructure for the entire community. A wide range of design standards have been used in the development of Watermouth Eco Village. As well as the standard design guidance, all buildings within the development have been designed to achieve a BREEAM rating of either excellent or outstanding. with the housing development being designed in line with the Code for Sustainable Homes. ASTIS conforms strictly to international standards for management. Business management strategy is comprised of several systems including safety, environment and energy, general management, information technology, and quality management systems such as ISO 9001. ASTIS has a risk management framework that is in line with ISO 31000 and is constantly evaluated with the discovery of new events or a change in circumstances. Accountability is taken seriously and is implemented through the recommended methods: identifying risk owners, identify who is accountable for the risk, identify risk management responsibilities of people at all levels, and establishing performance metrics and reporting processes. The risks identified within the business plan are hazard risks, control risks, and opportunity risks. Only control risks are included within the analysis, as hazard risks such as weather can be insured against. The Watermouth Eco-Village focuses on answering the needs of the local population through an eco-friendly solution. Ilfracombe and the surrounding area have been identified by the UK and EU authorities as a deprived area using 2011 census figures. By analysing these figures, the area was found to have the worst values for health, life expectancy, education, jobs and wealth. The Watermouth Eco-Village has been designed to address these issues. Vast amounts of sporting and leisure facilities offered, such as the Water Sports Centre and a modern sports centre, are expected to increase the health and life expectancy of everyone within the village and meet the demand of Ilfracombe as well. Education is boosted by supplying primary and secondary schools for the Eco-Village, which will accept students from Watermouth and the surrounding areas. With jobs comes an increase in wealth. Jobs are provided by the myriad of industries that have been brought to the area throughout this project. Tourism, fitness, recreation, catering, logistics, maintenance, construction, engineering, academic and financial sectors are just a few of the industries included in this project and will become major drivers in the North Devon economy. After the initial investment has been gathered, the project is planned for a 2017 Q1 start. Housing construction has been prioritised to unlock assets and generate revenue as soon as possible. Retail areas, business and industrial, the Water Sports Centre have similarly been prioritised to generate revenue. By generating revenue while the project is ongoing, a profit of £13 million is to be shared amongst investors and ASTIS upon project completion, scheduled in 2021 Q2. Rising house prices across the UK and North Devon region make the affordable housing offered by the Watermouth Eco-Village an attractive, long-term investment. The combination of growing demand from the new residents and already established demand for a better quality of life will drive commercial and industrial investment in the region for years to come. The overall transition plan for Watermouth Eco-Village has been created to incorporate all phases that will be required to take the site from its present state to operation. The design phase will enable the present outline designs to be developed to full detail designs, with ASTIS aiming to provide BIM Level 2 designs within the designated 12-month period. The area within Watermouth is currently owned by several parties. Therefore, to enable the project to commence, ASTIS will need to acquire this land. It is proposed that the land acquisition process runs alongside the design phase, so that once the design phase is complete, planning permissions are applied for immediately. ASTIS estimates that it will take 8 months to achieve full planning permissions, allowing time for the designs to be altered as and when North Devon Council requires. Once ASTIS's planning application has been approved, the project will be issued for tender to firms in the locality of North Devon, with 9 months being allocated to the tender process. Once the contracts have been awarded, construction can begin. Due to the scale of the project, the construction of Watermouth Eco-Village will be phased. ASTIS have elected to have 4 site teams, each progressing through the sections of the site. It is estimated that it will take a total of 57.5 months to complete the works, therefore ASTIS have allowed 5 years for project completion. Once the construction phase is complete, handover can commence. Due to the phased nature of the construction, the handover of buildings is also phased, buildings being handed over as they are completed and are fully accessible. A completed works package will be supplied during the handover phase. Where required, a full maintenance plan will be supplied to the operator, as well as details of the systems as required. It is projected that the total cost of the project will be £312,497,262, accounting for inflation at 3% per year, with an overall project completion date of 2023. Investment of 50% is required from investors and 50% of funds from a European Investment Fund loan at an approximated maximum interest rate of 3% over 10 years. In conclusion, the development proposed by ASTIS at Watermouth will bring both jobs and industry to North Devon. It will create a precedent for large-scale, sustainable design while implementing groundbreaking technology and design techniques, helping to alleviate the desperate housing deficit in England.